Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will create a project which covers topics such as loops, conditional statements, input-output and random numbers in Python. So let's get started. Today we will create a game where the computer randomly selects a number between 1 and 100 and the player has to guess it. In this game, the player receives feedback if the guess is too high or too low. If the player has guessed the number correctly, then we display it the number of attempts player has took to guess it. First, we will make use of random module of Python to generate any number between 1 to 100. Random function of random module will generate random integer since we have passed 1, 100 as parameters. So it generates a random number between 1 to 100. Then we are asking the user to input a number between 1 to 100 and storing it in a variable. Also, we are storing the number of attempts player took in guessing the number. Now we are checking the condition if the number entered by user is less than the number generated by computer. Then it prints the output as too low. Secondly, we are checking the condition if the number entered by user is greater than the number generated by computer. Then it prints the output as too high. Finally, if the user has guessed the number correctly, then we are printing the user attempts. Now let's run this program. First, user has entered 25, so it prints too low. Then for 40, it prints too high. Then for 35, it prints, "Congratulations, you have guessed the number in 5 attempts." Hope you like this project. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.